Hey there, Kieran here, founder of Meelio. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own templates of clinical notes, care plans, and meal plans. And those are what you can use to help generate what you need to when it comes to post-consultation and post you having recorded a consultation and it being transcribed. So here you can see we've got filters here for different clinical notes, care plans, meal plans. If you're new to Meelio, you will already have some existing ones that have been created, but you can also generate your own very easily, either by selecting this button here for a new template, or you can duplicate existing ones and edit those by selecting the three buttons there. What I'm going to show you is how to actually generate a new template. So with this one, I'm going to generate a care plan. So when you generate a new template, you can either describe it with plain language, or you can upload a template of one that you've used previously. Either it can be filled out as well, or you can quickly create your own and upload it, or use an existing one if you've got one. And it's all AI assisted, so if you select generate, it'll take that initial prompt that you've given it. It will then create a description. How should this be written? And I would review this because this is what gives our agent the context to generate what it is that you want. The really simple way to frame this in your mind is this is instructions for our AI to follow, and it's like instructing a human in reality. So if you give it clear instruction, it will do what you want to do ultimately. And if it's unclear, then it will not give you as good an output as you want. And little tips here, if you use words like comprehensive, detailed, it will be detailed and comprehensive. If you want more of a summary, then summary, or you can specify that in the sort of how should this be written step. So remove anything that is not relevant or that describes something that you don't want it to do, and make sure that it describes something that you do want it to do. Then if you scroll further down, these are the different sections. So our AI will step through these sections to make sure that it's filled out, and each section has a description. So, in this description here, you can put in bullet form. And if you scroll further down, let's say you wanted one of them to be in a table, and you'd even specify the ranking of the table. And then once you're happy with it, you can save it. And once it's saved, it's then usable with our post-consultation chat interface. And if you haven't watched it already, I would say go and watch that video. And you can very easily select the template that you want to use post-consultation. The other thing you can do is, of course, duplicate. And that's quite an easy way to bounce off of a given template that's already been created. So there's I've generated a lot in this particular library, but let me look for the one that I just duplicated. There it is. So then you can edit it. And in this view here is where you can just edit the sections, remove sections. You can move sections up and down very easily, and then save it. And once you've saved it, you can use it. You can give it a name as well. And then that's what will pull through in the post-consultation agent interaction. And you can do this for care plans, clinical notes, meal plans. And if you want another view, you can select for those that are in my organization, so the ones that you've generated, and global ones as well, so ones that we've already generated. Anything that's in that you generate will also be shareable with your team. So it's created at the organization level. So when you create an organization to sign up, other team members will be able to use the same template. That's all from me. Thank you.